Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're repairing a little Mazda 2. Sun glaring, can't really see. So we've got some bumper damage on the corner here. Try and round it out so you can see a little bit more. It's really not helping, loads of glare. Basically we're scraped from around there to around the front there. So I'll block the sun and show you a bit more. There you go, look, scraped all through there, through the top now, scraped around there. Just a simple bumper corner job to do. Customer dropped it off. Lots of piss balling around this morning, excuse my French. I've made the paint already. The paint's there, done. Had to try and, well, I wanted to match it, make sure it was sweet first, because these can be a problem colour. So I wanted to get that out of the way, get that double checked. And then I went to set up my sander and extractor and realised that was full to the brim and screaming. So I just had to give that a full service, change the bag, clean all the filters out and everything, wash the bottom out. It's now 9:20 and I ain't done a thing yet. So let's get cracking. Smash the edges off, get this sanded, try and get this sorted out and get cracking. Yeah, see you in a moment. Right, that is ready for a bit of primer. Going with 2K today, just because I'm here and I've got loads of it still. Spectral under 365. Bust out the proper primer gun. Yeah, keep using this expensive UV. It's quite a big area, it's going to take up quite a lot. And I've got an expensive eye build there, so I may as well get that used up as well. It's still early in the morning and it's cold here, so I'm just warming up the bumper corner before I start priming that. We'll get a few coats of eye build on that, bake it off, and then yeah, get some paint on. See you in a moment. She's ready for action. Let's get this all blocked out nice and smooth, start prepping it out for paint, work out where we're going to blend our colour to and our clear to, and sort of go from there. Let's do it. We're ready for action. I've knocked up some solvent. That's some paint I had for a job that got cancelled. It's pretty well. It's probably identical. I could probably blend that colour into that by the look of it. But I'm just going to base it up with that, and then we'll go over it with a water base afterwards. Just to save on paint. I mean, I've got that. There's quite a lot of paint there, and it's pretty identical. We'll just smash some of that on, base it up with that, get the other one on, and then we can clear it, get it looking nice. Right, just going to get a final wipe down and we'll crack on. See you in a moment. Get some clear on this thing. There she is. Just gonna let this finish baking and then we'll unbag it and pray that our colour's good. Job's come out quite clean. Blend's gone in nice. I'm happy about everything. The colour, from what I can see, looks good. We'll cross our fingers, shall we? Standard. Nothing ever goes right. Oh, don't. Right, let's get this baked off. I'll see you soon. Here you go, guys. So much glare, the sun coming through. This is the same as it is the other side. Trying to get in the shade so you can see. Yeah, looks alright. Yeah, I cleaned this side off as well to check. Yeah, there's difference there as well. So I'm happy with that. It looks pretty sweet. Hopefully the customer will be happy with that, and that'll be jobs. We shall see. Just waiting for them to come and collect the car, and yeah, job done. Off we go. So that is it from me today. As always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.